and gentlemen, please welcome Mo Dunford.
How's it going? We actors would be lost if we turned up on set to be handed empty pages and told, make it up as you go along, although that does happen sometimes. Every day, we are indebted to those who do make it up, the writers who craft the stories we tell, and what stories. The nominations for Script in Drama are
Marcus Fleming on Klondike. Lisa McGee, Indian Summers. Billy Roach, Clean Break. Colin Tevan, Rebellion.
And the IFTA goes to Marcus Fleming on Klondike.
Billy, Colin, Lisa, honour to be mentioned in the same roll call. A lot of people to thank. First up, Dahi Keane, whose Hallucination on Klondike is. IFTA members, cast and crew, fantastic. TJ Cahir, BI for trusting us to get this made and to believe in it all the way. And just have to mention Pierce Boyce, the producer, and getting names right. I'm going to get misnames, so I'll just mention my agent, Jean Kitson, who's brilliant, and my wife and co-author in life, Rachel Kilfeather.